Mrs. Anjali was 65 years old, but she looked much younger. She had a bright smile and sharp eyes. Everyone in the neighborhood loved her because she was full of energy. She could remember people's names, tell funny stories, and even solve puzzles faster than anyone else. People often asked her, "How do you keep your brain so young?" Anjali would smile and say, "It's simple. I take care of my brain every day, just like I take care of my body." One day, Ria, a young girl from the neighborhood, came to visit Anjali. Ria said, "Auntie, I forget things easily, and I'm always tired. Can you teach me how to keep my brain young like yours?" Anjali laughed and said, "Of course, dear. Sit down, and I will tell you my secrets." She began her story. "When I was young, I used to think that taking care of my brain wasn't important. But one day, I forgot my friend's birthday. I felt so bad. Then I realized that just like our muscles, our brain needs exercise too. So, I started learning ways to keep my brain active. First, I started reading books every day. Reading makes your brain think and imagine. It's like giving food to your mind. I read about history, science, and even novels. Sometimes, I read newspapers to stay updated about the world. Next, I played brain games. I solved puzzles, crosswords, and Sudoku. These games made my brain work harder and think faster. They were also a lot of fun. Then, I learned new things. Did you know I started learning Spanish when I was 50? Learning a new language or skill keeps your brain young because it challenges your mind. You can also learn painting, singing, or dancing. It's never too late to try something new. I also kept my body healthy. Exercise is not just for your body, it helps your brain too. Walking, yoga, and even simple stretching increase blood flow to your brain. That's why I go for a walk every morning. Another important thing is food. I eat nuts, fruits, and vegetables. They are good for the brain. Walnuts, almonds, and berries are my favorites. I also drink a lot of water because staying hydrated is important. Most importantly, I stay happy. Stress is bad for your brain. When I feel sad, I talk to my friends or listen to music. Spending time with loved ones makes me feel good. I also laugh a lot because laughter is the best medicine. Ria listened carefully and asked, "But what if I make mistakes or feel lazy?" Anjali smiled and said, "Mistakes are part of learning, Ria. Don't be afraid of them. And when you feel lazy, remind yourself why you started. Keeping your brain young is a gift to yourself. It makes life more exciting." Ria felt inspired. She promised Anjali that she would follow her advice. Months later, Ria visited Anjali again. She was smiling brightly and said, "Auntie, your tips worked. I read books, play puzzles, and go for walks. I feel more active, and my memory has improved. Thank you so much for helping me." Anjali hugged her and said, "I'm so proud of you, dear. Always remember, taking care of your brain is the key to a happy and healthy life." From that day, Ria started teaching her friends how to keep their brains young. Anjali's wisdom spread through the neighborhood, inspiring many others to take care of their minds. Together, they proved that age is just a number when your brain stays young.